Hi, everybody, and warm welcome to another wonderful podcast of the Credit Card Life. My name is Amit, and with the help of this wonderful podcast, I want to reiterate a new initiative which I'm trying to launch with the help of my YouTube Credit Card Life channel membership program. So far, you all know that I have launched already three different stages of channel membership. Number one is an update with so-called the Gold Elite iPhone membership. That's still a kind of on, and it will be ending on the 25th of January 2025. So, in case if anyone looking to grab the iPhone Elite Gold membership, I would love to have you all on board because from January onwards, our membership coupons, gift vouchers will start uploading for the first stage of members, right? That's point number one. Point number two, I want to talk about the newly kind of upcoming initiative which I'm trying to launch with the help of 299. Now, 299 membership is already done and dusted, and I have almost given 30 slots in that category. But as of now, I only have close to, close to 14 to 15 members. And I had to close this membership owing to a pretty mediocre response after, inclusion of 13 to 14 members. So still there are 16 more members to go, and I would like to reopen that membership for at least up to January 2025 Jan, so that people, those who are as of now consistently talking to me and probably want to be part of my 299 membership, should be able to enjoy these wonderful perks and vouchers and so on and so forth. So anyone who's looking now to be a part of my 299 channel paid membership, I would like to open wholeheartedly to all of you. The membership starts today. It is officially getting started again today. That is 7th or 8th of December, and it will go up to 25th of January 2025. So that's the only news I wanted to kind of update through the help of podcast to all my channel members. And anyone who wants to join me, you're more than welcome to be a part of this elite membership. Till next time, you all take care, and thanks for listening.